Midnight rain. My phone is buzzing, but I don't care. Let's talk about the things we don't do. Staring at the ceiling, it's 2 a.m. I could watch a movie, but I don't watch. Miru, I have a book, but I don't read. Yomu, Noma-nai. I could talk to you, but I don't speak. Hanasu, Hanasa-nai. The world can wait outside. You to 8 at night, or drop away at night. That's the way, don't do it in the rain. My phone rings on the desk, my friend texts me, come outside. Sorry, it's raining, I don't go. Ikanai. I have some coffee, but I don't drink Nomu, Noma-nai. Just watching the drops on the glass. But wait, listen closely. If the word ends in just you, don't say a, say wa. Kawa-nai. Awa-nai. I don't meet anyone tonight. Awa-nai. Awa-nai. The clock hits 3 a.m. I should sleep, but I don't sleep. Naru, Nanai. I should eat, but I don't eat. Taberu, Tabe-nai. Just floating in the dark. You to 8 at night, or drop away at night. That's the way, don't do it in the rain. What about work? What about plans? Suru, shinai. No, not this time. Shinai. Kuru, konai. Just stay in the quiet. Just listen to the rain. Don't memorize Japanese, feel it.